Welcome to Comprehensive Code YouTube channel. Today we'll be solving LeetCode 1518 water bottles. Okay, let's read the question first and understand it. There are water bottles that are initially full of water. Okay, you can exchange empty water bottles from the market with one full water bottle. The operation of drinking a full water bottle turns it into empty bottle. Given two integers, num bottles and num exchange, return the maximum number of water bottles that you can drink. Okay, let's see this example. Okay, so we have 9 full water bottles and 3 number of exchange. So initially you can drink all of these 9 water bottles. Okay, and then this leads to all of the 9 water bottles empty. Okay, and then what you can do is you can exchange 3 of these empty water bottle with one of this empty water bottle. Okay, this full water bottle, sorry. And then now you can go and exchange these 3 and get another full. Okay, again you can go and exchange these 3 and get another one. Now you have 3 full water bottles. Now you can drink all of these 3 to get all of these 3 empty water bottles. Now again you can exchange 3 empty water bottles with one full water bottle, and then you can get one full water bottle. Okay, so now you can drink this one to get one empty water bottle. Okay, one empty water bottle, but 1 is less than 3. That's why we cannot exchange any empty water bottles with full water bottle. So this is where we end. And now let's count this. So 1 2 3 4, and then initially 9, so 9 and 4 is 13, so we return 13 as answer. Similarly on this one you can drink all of this, which is 19, which is 15, and then you'll get 15 empty water bottles, and you can exchange 4 empty with one full. So 4 empty, one full, another 4 empty, one full, another 4 empty, one full, and then 3 remaining here. Okay, you drink these 3 and then you get 1 2 3 4 5 6 empty. Okay, 6 empty. You can exchange this 4 with one full. You got one full, and then 2 empty is 2 empty here. Now you can drink all of this. You get 3 empty water bottles where you stop because 3 is less than 4, so we cannot exchange any full water bottles here. Let's count this. 1 2 3 4, and then 15 16 17 18 19. Okay, we return 19 in this case. I hope the question is clear now. Let's talk about how we can solve this. Okay, so basically what we can do is, as long as the number of bottles we have is greater than or equal to the number of exchange, what we are going to do is we'll add. Okay, so let's go into the editor and then see. So as long as we'll maintain the total water bottles, which is basically the number of water bottles that we have, because this is the number of water bottles which are initially full, and we can drink all of these full water bottles to make it empty, and that is the total number of water bottles that we drank as of now. And what we're gonna do is, while the number of water bottles is greater than or equal to the number of exchange, what we'll do is we will add the total water bottles as number of water bottles divided by number of exchange, because see here, so we'll divide like, okay, if there are 12, we divide 12 by 3, which is basically also 9. So this is 9, So 9 divided by 3, which is basically 3, and then we can get 3 full water bottles when we divide like this. Okay, that's why we're dividing here. And now the number of water bottles that is left behind is the number of, so basically these are the number of water bottles that is left behind as empty, right, or left behind as full. Okay, so what is the number? The number is this one, right? These many numbers are remaining, and then there might be another case like where, for example, in this case, every full every empty water bottle cannot be exchanged. There is like 3 remaining here. That's why, like, how we gonna find this remainder is we will modulo divide this with the number of exchange. So in this case we have like how many number of bottles we have here is, okay, in this case let's see, here are 15 water bottles, and then we divide it by 4, which basically gives us 3, and then so 15 divided by 4 is 3. So, and now it gives us 12, right? So when you do 4 into 3, it is 12, and then the remaining bottles that we have is 15 minus 12, which is 3, and this can be obtained by doing modulo operator with this. Okay, so if we do this, you will get 3. Okay, that's what we are doing here. Okay, and at last we just return the number of bottles. Oops, not number of bottles, the total number of water bottles that we drank. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Let's run this code, and as you can see, it passes all the test cases here, and let's submit this. As you can see, it's pretty efficient. And let's talk about the space and time complexity for this one. So the space complexity or the time complexity is order of n, as we are iterating through all the number of water bottles that we are given, and the space complexity is order of 1. We are not allocating any extra space for this problem. That is it, and I hope this is helpful. If you find this helpful, just hit like, hit subscribe, and subscribe to my channel so that this channel will grow a lot. I want to grow a lot, and I want to grow this channel a lot, and I hope like we'll meet soon. And thanks for watching this video again.